Oh, no. We make them from scratch. Mint chocolate chip cookies for St. Patrick's Day. They're green. 3/4 cup unsalted butter, room temperature. 1 1/4 cup sugar. Medium speed, 2 minutes. 2 eggs. 1 teaspoon peppermint extract. Use this. Don't use mint. It tastes like toothpaste. Mix. This is how you measure. Makes a huge difference. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt. Whisk. Chefy tip, wax paper or parchment paper. Add the flour. You won't have flour all over your kitchen. Funnel it in on low speed. 20 drops green food coloring. 1 cup chopped Andes candies, or you can use that. Plus 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips. Fold. Silk hat or parchment paper. 350-degree oven, 10 to 12 minutes.